Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? I hope you all are doing well, children, and you are taking care of yourself. It's getting very hot nowadays, so keep hydrated yourself, okay? Drink lots of water, stay safe at home, okay? So, I hope you all have done your previous chapter's work in your notebook, that is lesson number 1 and 2. So today we are starting lesson number 3. Okay, children, I have already shared the PDF file of both textbook and workbook, lesson number 3, plus today's worksheet as well. So kindly go through it, and you have to copy the worksheet in your notebooks, okay, in the same manner as I have written in the copies. Okay, so now we'll start lesson number 3. Lesson number 3 is in page number 28, one with, and the name of the chapter is Dans la classe. Dans la classe means in the class. Okay, so as the name suggests, class, so in this chapter we are learning the things related to the class, like what all the objects you use in the classroom. Okay, so we will learn the vocabulary related to that chapter. See, there is a very nice picture of a classroom in which one teacher is there, one professor. Okay, children are there. So zelf it means student. Okay, then you can see chair and computer, then stapler, sharpener, eraser, and books are there, map is there, so many things, dustbin is there. Okay, so children, you will find all the vocabulary words in the book, and for your ease I have made a worksheet as well, okay, in my register. So this is your worksheet. I have written total 30 words. How many words? 30 words. Okay, so in the same manner you will do in your notebooks. I have written the chapter's name, then vocabulary, and then the French names I have written, and the English translation of each and every word is given here. Okay, see. For example, you in carte de France. Carte de France is French map. Then you in table is table. An ordinateur is computer. A dictionnaire is dictionary. Un pouble is a recipe, and so on till 30th. Okay, so have a look. Now children, it will be very good if you will draw this picture in your copy. Okay, in a very first page of this chapter you will write down the heading and then make this picture and then label in French. So it will be very easy and it will be very creative also. You will like this pattern, this way of learning. Okay, because this is the best way of learning. If you draw something and then you will write down the vocabulary words, it will be best. Okay, so do that and then you will make a vocabulary table. Now you can see here, children, dans la carte table. Now this is dans la classe. Okay, le Madame de Robert, she is describing everything. Now after the class, what you can find in the school bag. Okay, dans la carte table means school bag. C'est la rentrée scolaire. Rentrée scolaire is a very first day or first academic day after the vacations in France. Okay, so that is known as rentrée, and scholar is academic. Okay, so this is the first day of school after vacations. Dans la cartable, il y a du matériel scolaire. Il y a des livres, des stylos et des méli-mélos. What is méli-mélo? Méli-mélo is hodgepodge. Hodgepodge is messy, mess thing, mishmash kind of things. Okay, like in bag, so many things are there. Fine. So there are books, pens, méli-mélos. Material scolaire is stationary objects. Fine. Il y a des crayons, pencils, une gomme, eraser et une pomme aussi. Pomme is apple. Okay, il y a des cahiers, notebooks, des fuel is paper, sheets. Okay, et un pot-fuel. What is pot-fuel, children? Pot-fuel. See, fuel is sheet, and what is pot-fuel? Fuel is sheet, but pot-fuel we say wallet. Okay, what we call wallet. Then il y a une règle is scale, une calculate is calculator, et des lunettes. Lunette is spectacles. Fine. So these words also I have included in this list. So there are total 30 words. Okay. Now after this we will learn communiquer en classe. It means how do you communicate in class. Okay. Children, there are some sentences that you should use in a class. Okay. So whenever we will meet, I hope we will meet very soon in the class in your school. So whenever you meet me, we try to use these simple sentences, okay, in our classroom. For example, some words I have already told in the previous class, in class 4th, okay, like répétez s'il vous plaît, je suis désolé, okay, puis-je aller à la toilette. We have done all these things. Okay, there are some more sentences, some more words are there, so have a look. Number 1 is entrer. Entrer is enter. Okay, then répétez s'il vous plaît, you know, please repeat. Then ouvrez votre livre. Ouvrez votre livre means open your book. Okay, now fermez votre livre. Fermez votre livre is close your book. Open your book and close your book. Then comment ça s'écrit. Comment ça s'écrit is how it is written. How it is written. Comment ça se prononce. Comment ça se prononce. How it is pronounced. Quelle page? Quelle page? Which page? Parlez plus fort. Parlez plus fort. Speak loudly. Je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. If you don't understand anything, okay, just say je ne comprends pas, madame. It means I don't understand, ma'am. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Please repeat. Encore une fois, once more. Okay. Je ne comprends pas, madame. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Encore une fois. Okay. You can say like this. Now, levez les mains. Levez les mains is raise your hand. Levez les mains is raise your hand. Okay. So, children, these are the words you should use in the classroom. Okay. Promise me. So, what we have learned today? Dans la classe, the vocabulary related to the classroom. Then dans la cartable, related to your school bag. And communicate en class, how do you communicate in the classroom. So this that's it for the day, children. Just do the work, okay, today's work as I have done. See, this is a page, first page vocabulary, and the second page is this one. Communicate en class, communicate in class. I have written apprenez, it means you have to learn. Okay, these are 10 sentences. Okay, so that's it for today. In the next class, children, we will study furthermore. Okay, we'll do the next pages. So that's it for today. Adama, au revoir.